Hello, do you have an Etsy store and it feels like you haven't reached the level you wanted? Do you want to make sales or increase through sales numbers? In this video, I will show you what product sells a lot on Etsy and what can you sell to make money from Etsy. If you like our content, leave a like and share this video with people you know. So the best selling products on Etsy can be divided into 3 categories, and for each categories I will give you 3 ideas. Let's start with the first category, which is very well known: handmade products or handmade. Naturally, it is very famous for handmade crafts and many handmade products are sold there. What are these handmade products? They are accessories like jewelry, for example necklaces, women's chains, and women's jewelry. This sells a lot on Etsy, so you should focus on them. The second product is candles, decorative candles with nice designs and pleasant scents. This sells a lot on Etsy. The third and final product in this category is skincare products, meaning cosmetics but specifically skincare, such as argan oil, traditional soap, and things related to skincare. So let's move to the second category, is digital products. Naturally, these are in high demand on Etsy now, and many people pay them. Why? Because first, they are low cost, and second, they don't require shipping. The buyer purchases the product and it's delivered instantly. Here are 3 high demand products. First, printable designs, such as wall art or decor designs that the buyer can purchase, download and print to use at home, in the bedroom or living room. Printable designs are in high demand. Second, stickers, which are very well known and high demand. Many people buy them. Third, Canva templates, such as templates for social media posts, planners or book covers. All these templates are in high demand. The third category is custom-made products. There are products where the customers tell you, for example, write this for me. I want a product with this design. They are high demand. For example, custom printed t-shirts are in very high demand. Sales offer customization. They can put a name or a design in the customer wants. They are high demand too. Gifts, for example, like a mug with a family photo, are also in high demand on Etsy right now. Similarly, jewelry like a ring where you can engrave her name and her husband's name, or a chain with her name and her husband's name. These products are in very high demand. If you focus on these 3 categories, handmade products, digital products, and custom-made products, I'm sure you will make sales and your level will improve. I hope the picture is clear to you now and you know what products you want to sell and which category you want to specialize in. I hope this video benefits you. Don't forget to give us like and nice comment to encourage us, and give us your opinion, which products idea or category caught your attention and you are thinking of working on. And of course, share this video with your friends, people you know, so they can benefit.